an anniversary yesterday with KFC. Before I touch U.S. immigration, because that's a lot of stuff I'm going to touch there, but I want to touch on a couple of things from Jamaica because yesterday there was a big deal in Jamaica, and the chickens were at war. Oh yeah. So Jamaica got overrun by well, KFC got overrun by the patrons. It was loaded in there, and let me kind of share my screen here. Let's see if I can bring up some of those stuff that was going on in Jamaica yesterday. Um, let's check this out, guys, because it was a big deal at KFC in Jamaica yesterday. Let's see if I can share my screen and get some of the stuff that was going on up there.